Hello everyone, I'm Mick from Woodworking UK, and today we're going to review the Katsu DIY pocket hole jig. The Katsu pocket hole jig is sold by AIM Tools. It's $39.99. Right, let's have a look at it. It's aluminium construction. It's quite a decent weight to it. The clamp is a standard clamp for it. It has the holes on the bottom, so you can screw it down to a base. It even provides the screws for you to screw it down with. This end, the way you work with the thickness is through these two different types of holes here, as you can see. If you look on the side, it tells you the thickness for each set of holes. The thing I like about it the most is you can actually adjust them a lot easier. So you can have for a very thin piece of timber, or for a very wide piece of timber. They also provide you with a base, so you can take them off and you can clamp them onto this, and there's some screws provided again in this bag here, so it's more portable to work with. With the kit you get the main unit, the drill bit, the extra bits and pieces you need to screw it down, Allen key to adjust the collet on the top. You get the end for your drill driver. You get the extra part so you can use a portable. You get a selection of plugs for it. You also get a nice selection of screws. I must admit there's quite a few there, so I can get you started, and an instruction booklet as well. So while we're here, we'll have a look and compare it with my Craig K4. Now my Craig K4, its entire kit, is between £70 to £90 to buy this Craig, and obviously a lot of people like to have these, but on looking at this one, I must admit this one is starting to look rather good. So we'll compare the two of them and see how they go together. Right, now the Katsu DIY pocket hole jig, that is $39.99, and the Craig K4, that is between £70 and £90. You can buy them a little bit cheaper, it all depends on what extra accessories you get with them. But I think mine was about £75 to buy mine. So let's have a look, let's compare them, see what they're like. The Craig has the same clamp as the Katsu. The construction on the Craig is a heavy duty plastic construction, where the Katsu has a very robust aluminium construction to it. The Craig has the three holes for the different widths you have on them. The Katsu you can adjust to any width you want, and if I check the width, let's just see how wide this can go to. Right, from centre to centre, is 70, you can get 70 mil centre to centre. On the Craig, from centre to centre on the widest two is 35.9, so 36 mil on the Craig. So this one you can work with wider pieces of timber. I think when it's closed right up, I think they're going to be about the same. So let's have a look on the Craig. From the centres is 13. On the centres is 17. So the Craig, you can do smaller widths than the Katsu. So overall, between the two, would I have a Katsu if I didn't already have a Craig? I think I would actually have a Katsu. It looks a very strong piece of equipment. It doesn't look cheap. It's well built. So if I didn't already have this one and use this one quite a lot, I think I would buy this one. Price wise, this is a lot cheaper. Like I say, the price £39.99, so £40, and you've got yourself a decent little starter kit. This one, £70 to £90, pretty expensive, especially if you're not really going to use it that often. I think I would go for the Katsu myself. So I'll leave it up to you, and like I say, I'll put the link below and you can go and have a look, see what you think. But I quite like that one. It's a solid piece of equipment.